Alternative medicine is defined as a set of treatments and therapies that differ from the accepted Western traditional medical establishment. These treatment modalities change from country to country, and from culture to culture. Conventional or Western medicine is defined as the art of healing through diagnosis, prevention and treatment of disease. It encompasses fields such as biochemistry and genetics and usually treats disease through medication or surgery.
Conventional medicine looks at medicine in silos. It's good at looking very deep into specific areas, and within different segments of medicine like cardiology or neurology or gastroenterology, they may identify causes for different problems. But as a whole, there's not systematic thinking about the fundamental laws of biology and how we work with those to see the real drivers of disease and the real drivers of chronic illness.
Alternative or complementary medicine is proving to be effective in the treatment, and especially the prevention of chronic degenerative disease. The problem with alternative medicine, or the weak part of alternative medicine, is that most of the evidence gathered of the effectiveness of its treatment is mostly anecdotal. Complementary and traditional medicine is lacking as more scientific research.
As far as what alternative therapies are being used or accepted by Western medicine, one of the most famous ones is the use by cardiologists of omega-3 fatty acids. These are being currently used for the treatment and prevention of heart disease and hypertension. Another example would be the use by urologists of a plant extract called saw palmetto, which is being used to treat the symptoms of prostate hypertrophy. Another one that is being currently researched very seriously is the use of medical marijuana. These are being used for nausea in cancer patients, for as an appetite increaser in patients with HIV/AIDS, and also for the pain of some kind of rheumatoid processes that are occurring in the body with old age. So these are alternatives that are being accepted by Western medicine. There are many others like treatments for malaria and other infectious diseases, but these are being currently researched by different organizations. As the population has become more aware through books and the internet of these therapies, they have become more accepting. As a matter of fact, the general population is the one that is pressuring Western medicine or traditional medicine in the United States to seek these new therapies. Yes, they are being accepted. Of course, there are those that claim to have miraculous cures, which of course that's not true. But yes, general population as a rule has become more accepting and of these therapies and are actively seeking new ways to treat themselves and to prevent disease and aging as the population of the United States ages. So what they're seeking is quality of life, and they're doing this by, again, seeking these therapies, and they are becoming more and more accepting as time goes on, and as awareness of these therapies grows. We will see a lot more alternative treatments being accepted into the Western therapeutic arsenal that we know today. One of the most exciting fusions of traditional and alternative medicine that are occurring right now is what's called telomere research. Telomere is a structure on the extremes of the chromosomal arms, which basically shortens with every cell division and is basically a clock for cell aging and cell death. So traditional medicine is doing basically the research on the biochemistry as to how this occurs, while alternative medicine is actually seeking or has some forms of treatment that have been proven to reduce this telomere shortening. For example, they have ways of reducing oxidative stress through antioxidants, relaxation techniques, because he has proven that emotional stress and other factors shortens the telomere. So this is a very exciting fusion or melding of the two branches of medicine, traditional and alternative medicine. Fish oil, for example, the use of aspirin, other alternative treatments that haven't been widely used so far are being used to treat or prevent the shortening of the telomere, and this is very, very exciting right now.
The implementation of conventional and Western/conventional medicine is crucial for the overall health of the people. Each branch of medicine is flawed in its own way. However, one must advocate for a balance between the two in order to lead a healthy and rigorous lifestyle.